In the previous class, we talked about which one alter command. In that one, the first one over, guys. What's first one? Sorry, alter command. Adding the columns over, guys. Right? Adding the columns over. Adding one column. Adding multiple columns. Adding a column at required position, and finally at the first place in the table. Right? So now let's talk about delete the columns, guys. Deleting the columns. So to add columns over, now we talk about to delete columns. To delete columns. That's all. To delete columns, guys. Here we can delete one column at a time. We can delete multiple columns at a time. Two things only, either one column or multiple columns. To delete what? To delete one column, right? And to delete multiple columns. Delete one column, delete multiple columns. Okay, right. Now, guys, observe here. To delete one column, to delete multiple columns. How to delete a specific column? Now, observe here. Alter table name. What's table name here? Employees, right? Employees, guys. Table name is employees. First of all, let me open MySQL. So, databases. What is my database name? I think EMP data DB, right? Use EMP data DB. In that one, what tables are there? We have, sorry, show tables. Only one table. That is what select a star from. Sorry, data not added, right? Over description you can see the employees. Right. So these are the columns available already. Okay. Right now, I want delete suppose mobile column, guys. I want to delete mobile column. Alter table name. Then we use drop column. Which column you want to drop? Mobile column. I want drop. That's all. While adding the column, we have to specify add column name. Then data type we have to specify column name. Then data type we have to specify while adding the column. We'll remove the column, just only column name is enough. Only column name is enough. Now I copy this one. Let's go here, run this one. Yes, it's good. Now you can see what is not there here. Mobile is not there. Mobile is not there. Okay. This is what delete the column, guys. For that, what is syntax? What is the syntax here? Alter table name, then drop column, then column name, guys. Then column name, that's all. That is the way how to drop one column. To drop multiple columns, alter table name is what? Employees, alter table name. Then drop column. What columns you want to drop? I want to drop the columns like commission, location, age, email. Or commission, age, email. So drop column commission, comma. Again, we specify drop column email, comma. We have to specify, guys, again. Drop column, which one? Age. I want drop column age also. I want drop it. Age. That's all. We have to specify all like this one by one. And you can observe here. Now you can see, right? Commission, age, email. Three columns are deleted, guys. Right? Okay. So drop column name, drop column name, like that. You have to specify. You have to repeat for every column. Drop column name. Okay. Then let me take the syntax here. Alter table name, drop column, then column 1 guys, comma, then drop column 2, and so on, right? And so on. The last one. That's all. So that's the way how to drop the columns. Dropping either one column or multiple columns, guys. Delete the column. So right. And what's third one? To change the data type and its size. To change the data type and the size of one column or multiple columns again. All of them. To change the data type and the size of one column. Let's see how to change for one column, guys. Right. Again, alter table. Table name is what here? Employees. Now, what I want to change, see, data type and size means what? What I told you here, we can change the data type and change the size. So data type means these are the data types, guys, right? Data types, and these are the sizes. These are the size, okay? And for integer type size is not like our default size. The size only for characters, guys. Size only for the characters. Okay. Now let's take the name. For name, right now, char is there. I want to take varchar. There are two types of characters. Char, varchar. So I'm taking the which column? Name column. Okay. Alter table name. Modify, modify column. Modify column. Column name is what? Name. Then I take the varchar of some 50 guys. Previously, it is char of 20. Char of 20. But now, I'm taking a varchar of 50. Let's see now. So here, what subcommand I used? I used modify, guys. I used what? Modify. For change, we used modify. Yes. Now, check once. What is there for name? Varchar of 50 is there. Now, you must have the one doubt. So, what is difference between char and varchar? Char, varchar. Observe here. Suppose for the name, imagine now I am taking what care of some 20 guys, okay? I am taking a care of 20 for name. Imagine, okay? Imagine like this. While inserting the values, suppose I am giving a Narayana here. I am giving Narayana, right? First value what? Narayana. But for first value, how much space it assigned? 20 bits assigned, guys. For first value, it assigned 20 bits, 20 characters maximum. But how many characters you used? 8 only you used. All of right. How many used here? How many used? Used only 8. Only 8. Remaining how many are there? Remaining how many are there? Remaining 12 bits memory is wasted. Is wasted, guys. That is the what happening here. Remaining 12 bits wasted here. Only 8 using. Remaining 12 is wasting, right? So this time giving the name Sai. Again, out of 20, how much used here? Used only 3. And remaining how much is there? Remaining 17, 70 memory is wasted like this. This is what happens when I use the char. So char means it allocates 20 bits of space for every name. It allocates 20 bits of space. It allocates you 20 bits of space. Out of 20 bits, you can use either 1 or 2 or 3 up to maximum 20. Right? 20. Here 8 is used, remaining 12 is wasted here, right? Wasted, guys. The 3 is used, remaining how much is wasted here? 17 wasted here. No carry forward, no saving. It's allocating statically 20, 20, 20, 20 for every name. For every name. Right? At that time, see, we should not expect every name has 20 characters, right? No, it must be less than 20. Either 10, 12, 13, 5, or 6, 4. At that time, for every name, some memory is wasted, guys. For every name. Suppose if any name contains 8 characters, then how much is wasted here? 2 wasted. If a name contains 19 characters, how much wasted here? What memory is wasted? If 20 characters is there exactly, then no wastage, guys. No wastage here. But we can't expect every name is having 20 characters, right? No, it's not possible. That's why when I use the char, this type of columns name like this, compulsorily memory is wasting, guys. More memory is wasting, right? Then when we use when do we use suppose gender is there. Imagine now gender, right? Gender is there. For gender, you are giving either M or F. Either M or F. At that time, if I use care of suppose one or two like this maximum one or two, for example. First person M. So one bit memory, one character using. So no wastage here. Next female. Next again male. Again male. See now no wastage, guys, here. Okay, right. So this is what char. Now for the same case, if I use varchar, the same case I am using what here? I am using varchar of 20. If I use varchar of 20, then again the first name is Narayana. In that case, how much used all of observe here used how many? Only 8 here, only 8. But remaining 12 bits of memory is carry forward, guys. Is carry forward means it's not wasting, it's carrying, right? All of you, no wastage here. Next, I am using the name Sai here, and right, how much used? Used only 3, only 3. And how much carry forward? Remaining how much is there? Remaining 17 plus about 12. Here 17 now. About 12, how much now? About 12, guys. How much totally? Totally 39, 29. 29 bits of memory is carry forward. Is carry forward like this. There's no wastage here. That's what we use always. Which one better, guys, here? Where is always better. Where means what? Variable size. Where for variable size. Variable size means what? The size keep on varies. The size keep on varies. Here only 8. Here 3. Here 4 like that. But here in this case, 20. Here also 20. It's statically giving the same size. Okay. Right. Ah. So here, what is our now? Changing the type or size for one column, guys. For one column, what is syntax? Alter table. Alter table. Table name is table name. Table name. Alter table. Table name. Then what we used here? Modify. Modify column. Column. Then we give the column name, guys. We give the column name and the new type, and also we give new size, guys. New size we give. If it is string type means we give the new size also. We're giving the new size, guys. That's all. We're giving the new size also. Okay. This is for one column, guys. If for multiple columns, what we do? For multiple columns means what we do here, observe. Of multiple columns. Multiple columns, okay? Of multiple columns, guys. That's all. Now I want to change for roll number. For roll number, I want to change for company for both. For roll number, I want to take the big int. Big int, guys. All of you. Int is there. Big int is there. Big int. Int means it allows some 5-digit number, 6-digit number like that. Int means big int is there. Big int means what? To enter any lengthy number like mobile numbers, Aadhaar numbers. So those are more than 10-digit number, right? At that time, int is not allowed. Int is not allowed big numbers. Int allows only some 6-digit, the type of length numbers only. If you want to give more length numbers, compulsory go for big int, guys. Big int. That's why for roll number, I want to give the big int. For company, I want to give the varchar. Let's see now. Again, alter table. Table name is what here? Employees. Employees. Again, modify column. Which column? Roll number, which is a big int, single word, comma. Again, it takes modify column company will take the when you use the varchar. If I use any big number, also no problem, guys, because no memory is wasting, right? Uh, right. We can observe it here. We can observe now. Okay. Roll number what came, big int came for company. We have taken by varchar, right? Varchar. Alafu. That's all. This is the example. If you want to take the syntax for this one, again, comma, then we take what one more here, modify column. That's all. Here, modify column one, and another column guys here, column two like this. All right. Now the next one is changing the column name, guys. Changing the column name. All of you observe how to change the column name. How to change the column name. Column name I want to change. See, the column name roll number is the right ROLL underscore NO. I just don't take a EID. That's all. EID, guys. Employee ID. EID. Let's try now. Let's try here. Um, alter table. Table name is what? Employees. Employees. Let's say here also same. We'll take modify. We'll take the same modify. Modify column. Which column we want to modify? Roll underscore number space. That's all. Space with the new column. EID, which is a integer type. That's all. Let's see now whether it is right or wrong. Because always this syntax little bit confusion, guys. Yes, it is wrong. We'll take not modify. We'll take the rename column. Old column space new column. That's all. Old column space new column, then data type. Data type. Right. AD. Do we use the change? Yes. So what keyword we use? We use change keyword, guys. Which keyword? Change keyword we use. Now let's see the columns names now. Let's see the description. What is there? EID is there. What is there? EID, guys. EID. EID. Okay. If you want to do for multiple columns, same. We repeat this one again. Change column, old column space new column and data type, comma, again change column, old column space new column, again data type, like that we have to keep on give. For multiple columns, same syntax, guys. Same syntax. Okay. Right. So it's all about which command? Alter command. By using alter, you can add the columns, you can delete the column, change the types, change the sizes, and rename the columns. This is one part of which one managing the header. Manage the header, right? Previously, this is what create the header, right? Create the header, guys. Header creating, and this is what header modifying, right? Header modifying, guys. Managing the header. Managing the header, right? Either manage means what? Either add the columns, remove the columns, change the types, change the names. This all comes under which one? Alter. Now, two commands over under which one? DDL, guys, right? Under DDL, which commands what me? Under DDL, create command we have seen, and alter command also we discussed, guys. Create, alter both over. So next one we have truncate. Observe now. Truncate is there, and also drop command is there. To complete this DDL, remaining two commands are there. Now, see, to understand these two commands properly, we must have a full table. A complete table must be there to understand these two commands. Complete table means what? Both header and body, both header and body must be there to understand the truncate and drop. But right now we don't have the body, right? Enough only working on the header part only. Body is not there, right? Body is not there. So that's why first, before discussing these two, what do I do means, enough. What do I do? First, we'll go with DML. The DML will discuss about insert, about update, about delete. Once these three over, again coming back to where? Coming back to truncate, guys, and drop. Once these three over, we understand the body also. And by that time, header is there, body will be there. Then work on the truncate and the drop commands. Okay. So now what do we start? We start the DML commands, guys. DML commands or DML sublanguage. Right. Why it is used, all of you? DML is used to manage the body, the table body, to manage the table body by using which commands? Insert command, one command. But next one, update command, and one more is what? One more is the delete command, guys. Okay, delete command. Insert command means what? To create a body. To create the body means to add the body, to insert the body, to modify the body, to delete the body, to delete the body. Insert means to create the body, to create body, to modify the body, to delete the body, to delete the body, guys. Okay. Now let's go with the insert command. Which command? Insert command, guys. Right. In the insert command, insert command, all of you observe here. Why it is used? It is used to add table body, to add the table body, like what? Inserting the rows, inserting the rows. How to insert the rows? Right now we have the only table body, table header, guys, right? Table header is there. This is what table header. If I run select a star from table, it says that empty set. That means what? Empty body. It means what? Header is there. Below the header, body is not there. Empty set means no body here. Okay. How to insert the data? Allow observe here. Insert into what's table name? Employees. Insert into table name values. What values you want to give, we have to specify. And while giving the data, the order is most important, guys. Which order? The columns order is most important. First one, EAD, in name, company, salary, location. That order is most important. What's first one? Employee ID, employee ID 101, employee name, for example, Nani. Then company will take TCS, okay, company TCS, and the salary, some 30,000 salary. Okay. And what last one? Location is what here? Hyderabad. Location is Hyderabad. That's all. So guys, here the order of columns is most important. The order of columns is the most important. Sir, if you take a different order, if you take the different order, what is the problem? What is the problem? Just observe. I'll tell you here. See, in this table, which our table name? Employees, right, guys? Employees. In employees table, what is the order? The same order, the values allocate, guys. The same order, the values allocate. Because the table has columns, right? Means in the bracket has the column. Here's first column, EAD column. Next name column. Next company column. Okay, company column. Next salary column. Next location column, right? See, the order is most important. So in this case, when I give the values, what happens here? The first value assigned to first column automatically, guys. Automatically. The second column, the second value assigned to what? Second column. Then third value assigned to what? Third column. Okay, third column. And fourth value assigned to what? Fourth column, right? Fourth column, all of you. And fifth value assigned to fifth column. That's all. Fifth value assigned to fifth column. That's all values. Now, all of right. Suppose, sir, if I take here TCS, and here employee name, any problem? There's no problem, no error, guys, no error. But what is happening? So TCS you are giving as a second value, right? Second value. Then go to second column. What second column here? Name. Now for name, it assign now which one? Which value? TCS, guys. Okay. For name, it assign the TCS. That's all. No error. Because both string types, right? First of all, this is which type? This string type, varchar, right? Varchar. It's also string value. That's fine. That's fine. It assign automatically. It assign automatically because both are same type. Suppose, sir, if I give TCS here, if I give TCS and I give the number here, if I give the number, then what happens? In this case, it will not allocate, it will throw error, guys. It gives error. Why error? Because see, the first value automatically what happens, they tell me the first value assigned to what? First column, right? First column generally. But here we specified very clearly. The first column, they are saying that you allow only integer only. They're saying very strongly, you allow only integer only. But you're giving what? You're giving the string value. You will not allow. It will throw back. That is called error. It will throw error, guys. Error. Because for every column, they're specifying their types, what type of data you should allow. We're giving here clearly. That's why this type of languages, which type of languages, whenever we specify the data type also for those columns, they are called statically typed languages, guys. They're called what? Statically typed languages. Static languages, we say that what you call static languages, statically typed languages. The same way, Java also static language, C also static language, C++ also static language, C sharp also static language. Why? Because in these languages also, you are specifying the data type. For example, I take the variable, variable A to give the integer, that's all. A integer. We have given here what now? TAD integer, salary integer, we have given the right. So there we give A integer. That means what? Now A allows only integer values only. Either Java, C, C++, C sharp, for all same, guys, same. But Python is what? Dynamic language, dynamically, a dynamic typed language. Why? In Java, in Python language, we don't give a integer, no. In Python language, we never specify the data types, guys. Directly give the value, that's all. Directly give the value. Directly, you can give the value in Python. We don't specify we allow integer only, we allow bool values only, no. It allows all types of values. That's why Python is what? Dynamic languages, dynamic language, and remaining C, C++, Java, and SQL. These all are which one? Static languages, because we are specifying the data type manually. Okay, right. If you want to observe, see, I'll copy this one. I will insert here. You can see error will come, guys, right? You can see now error came. What is error here? It's saying that, see, for EAD column, you are giving the TCS value, incorrect integer value, because EAD column expecting integer value, but you are giving an incorrect integer value. Which value? TCS, guys. Okay. All right. Now, so here the columns not required in the bracket. Columns not required. Just I given the columns for mapping purpose to explain you. Columns not required here. If you take also, no problem, guys. If you take also and execute, no issue, no error, guys. No error will come. No error will come. Okay. That also explain you later. I copy this one from here and I am pasting here. Sorry. Copy this one and paste here. Yes. See, query, okay. Now what do I do here? I am going to take one more row guys here. I'll take 102, 102. The name I will take Satya and maybe same company, everything same. Again, copy from here and I paste here. Yes, inserted. I'll take one more also. 103, 103. Let's take one name. Suppose Ramya, and she is from Infosys and working for some 50 like this. Now I copy and I paste here. Yes. So what happened here? Three rows inserted, guys. All of you. Three rows inserted here. Three rows inserted. Okay. And here, what happened now? For every row, we used the one insert command, right? See, for second row, again, we used the one more insert command. For third row, again, we used insert command. It's for every row, we are using a different insert commands, guys. In that way, if I want to insert 100 rows, 100 rows, 100 rows, then okay, we require what 100 inserts, guys. We require 100 inserts here because for three rows we use three inserts, right? In the same way, if you want to insert 100 rows, you require 100 inserts. That is one way. But taking always insert, it takes time. Always insert into table name values. Again insert into table name values. No, that is called hard coded. That is called which one hard coding, guys. In simple way, what we do means in simple here, what happened now? Using multiple inserts for multiple rows, right? For multiple rows. That's what we tried now. But next, what I want here, I want to just use only one insert only. Using only one insert for multiple rows. For multiple rows, okay? For multiple rows, guys, all of you. How means insert into table name what employees values of. I will take a 104, 104. Let's take the name Rajesh, and from Microsoft. Let's take salary is 50,000 and from Bangalore, Power. Now, comma, I take one more also, second continuation now. 105, 105. Let's take some name and she's from Amazon, right? Okay. And salary is 90,000. And we'll take what here? We'll take Chennai, guys, like this. Again, one more, like that. You can add multiple rows, guys. Just have taken the two rows. You can add multiple rows like that. See, using only one insert, but how many rows are there here? More than one row. Means multiple rows. Let's go here, insert now. That's all. See, at a time, two records, guys. Two records are inserted here at a time. Okay, that's all. Now, this is what inserting the data. If you want to see the data, then I am using now select a star from what is table name employees. We can see. Now, let me observe here, guys. Observe now. Now, this is a complete table, guys. This is complete table. Yesterday, someone messaged me. I think Akash. Akash is there, not there. Okay. Yesterday, someone messaged how to insert the data, right? This is the way. This is the way inserting the data, guys. Okay, right. So using multiple inserts for multiple rows, or using only one insert for multiple rows. Now we have a doubt here. What is that? We have one question now. What is the question? Sir, the next employee I know his number is 106, sir. His name is let's take some name Karthik, right? But I don't know salary, sir. Then how? We don't know salary. He is from TCS, but don't know salary. Don't know salary, sir. And he is from Bangalore. I know he's from Bangalore, but don't know salary. If you don't know any value, then how, sir? How to give? See, this is the way. If you know all the details, okay. but I don't know some values. In that case, what we do, right? Observe here, insert into what is table name again, employees, values of a number we know, name also we know, right? The company name we know, and what we don't know, salary we don't know, right? That's all. That's all, guys. Enough. But if run this one, it will throw error. If you run this one, it will throw error. Why errors are? Because how many columns are there? Five columns. But how many values you are giving? You are giving four values only. Columns are five columns, but the values are giving only four values. Counting is mismatching, right? See, column counter does not match which counter value count, guys. Value counter. Because columns are five columns, but values are only four values. That's why both are not matching. That's why both are not matching, guys. Both are not matching. Both are not matching. That's all of you. Clear now? Then how to handle it? Very simple, guys. There are two possibilities here. There are two possibilities. Okay. So inserting values for required columns. For required columns only, I want to insert the values. So two possibilities are there. One possibility is whatever you don't know, just give their null. That's all. Just give their null, guys. Enough. I don't know salary. Salary, which column? Fourth column, right? Salary is the fourth column. In the fourth place, give the null. That's fine. Now count is matching, right? Null means what? No value, but here count is matching. Okay, count is matching, guys. You can see now. We can observe now. Now null means what? Here value is not there. This is the one way. This is the one way. Suppose next one, what I want to tell you here, insert into again employees, values of, sir, I know only names are, I know only name. The name is what? The name is, let's take some name, Shravya, guys, something like that. That's all. I don't know number, I don't know company, I don't know location, nothing. Then what is the above solution? Above is to give the null. EID null, name is there, salary null, company null, salary null, location null, that's all null values, guys. That's all. This is the like above. But I don't want to give all null values. Then what we do? All of observe here. Simple. Just to give the only name enough. I am giving the value for what? Only name. Just to give the name. That's all. Now one value matching one column. That's all, guys. Okay. I copy this one and you can paste here. Yes, it's good data. You can see now. That's all. All of it. This is the way how to insert the data, guys. Okay. The remaining commands we'll discuss in tomorrow class. Okay. Are clear now? Thank you all, guys. Bye. Just practice all, guys. Tomorrow we'll see remaining part. Remaining DML, DDL we'll see in tomorrow class. Okay. If you know two values,